So again guys, we have 1,310 square meters. So ito same price, pero pagsabihin kasi tax declaration, baka manegosate pa natin. 1,500 per square meter. Maraming puno ng coconut o niyog. So at malapit sa bahay nila kasi itong may-ari so malapit lang. Binibenta to lahat, parang anong property, 450, 813, 1,310, at saka ito 2,452. Okay, I will show you to the 1,310. Maraming damo guys, so papasukin pa rin natin. Ang maganda dito is really a good place for retirement guys, kasi malapit lang sa Tagbilaran. You know, Tagbilaran has coming SM Superstore, then in Panglao malapit lang din, just few minutes. So ito po tayo, ito na po yung lupa guys, yun maraming puno ng niyog. Overlooking pa rin guys, still overlooking. Oh, tabi. Oh, see, maganda dito guys. Ito po yun. May road right of way na to guys. Ang kagandahan nito is a whole lot. Hindi ito subdivided ha. It's a whole lot. Isang lote lang at direkta nating ma-title agad. So ito po yung mga puno. So see, binibenta natin yung isa doon. So ang sitwasyon lang lupa parang sloping, pero depende na rin natin yan guys sa pag-develop, no? If you hire a professional engineer or architect, design. So ito po yun, mas maganda dito, maraming puno ng niyog. So kitang kita pa rin bahay nila. See, may maraming what you call that, banana trees. See, again from highway is around 200 meters. So ito po yun, see, yung gustong mag may buyer, tatanggapin ko pa rin, walang problema. Mag lang tayo guys, just contact me, mag-usap lang tayo. Direct yan naman tayo ni sir, kasi siyang nag-contact sa akin from the con. Kahit pa magpunta kayo dito, malaman ko rin kasi mag-contact din sa akin yun. Thank you and God bless to all. Again, I repeat, this is 110 square meters overlooking to the sea. Kung maano natin na yung puno niyan, wala nang harang. So pwede naman i-trim natin, pwede naman hindi. Okay, putulin na lang. God bless to all. Happy viewing. And if you have properties for sale, just let me know. Then again, walking distance to the sea, walking distance to the beach. God bless. Bye.